Oh, I'm stuck.
Well, hello there.
Excuse me, that's my line.
Wow, we're descending order. But I'm the tallest.
I am the shortest.
Wait, you're here.
Ready? Action.
Well, hello there.
Bitch, that's my line. Well, hello there. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am here with my gremlins. These are my two little sisters. I like seeing myself so conceited much.
That's how you know we're sisters.
But anyways, today's video we are going to be trying the one and only slime queen's KARINA GARCIA Slime Kit. I've never made slime. No?
I played the glue.
Oh, by the way, I got it at Target. It was 20 bucks. Here are the... Bitch, I paid $20 for glue! Clear slime goo. Okay, I've never seen any videos of people making slime, just FYI.
We got this slime glue going on. It's
there's glitter! Ah!
some glitter.
We got pills. Color tablets. Okay, and then we got a glow powder. Oh, this is cool. We should do this one. Water gel.
Yep.
And then we got some glue. And then we got slime activator. This clear straw thing. Okay, so we're gonna get started. What's step one, Tiffany?
Wash your hands. Warning, this set contains chemicals that may be harmful if misused.
So two of these.
Yeah.
Gonna add this slime activator thingy-majiggy. There we go. The hole's not big enough. Okay.
Mix all the ingredients with a spoon until you think your slime has reached maximum gooiness.
You just mix it?
Yep.
That's it?
Yep.
That's not simple. I'm not wearing the right shirt for this.
This is why we need.
Oh, it's turning into goo! Ah, this is so cool. You want to stir it?
Splash something. Wait, look, it's like eggs.
Volunteers as tribute.
Me.
Oh! Ah, it looks like snot!
Achoo!
Ah, it's dripping all over the table!
Look, it's all slimy now. It's
Oh,
like
that's better.
water. And like when you touch it, it turns liquidy. Actually, you want to?
Oh, this is actually really fun.
I want to try.
I don't know what to do with myself. Alright, so we're going to do the glow in the dark. So let's go. And then we'll add.
I have to add the glow in the dark first.
Oh yeah. Tiffany, you fucked up.
I didn't fuck up, I just forgot.
And pour it in. Whoa. Oh. That blue stuff makes everything blue. I don't like why.
Because it's blue.
I know, but like why would they give us a blue slime activator when we don't always want blue slime?
Maybe they couldn't help it. It's blue. Good.
Okay. It's glow in the dark, so should we turn off the lights? It's not dark enough. Oh, I see it glowing! Oh! Oh, this is cool! It looks very bluish in the dark. What's this? That was glow in the dark. Ooh. Oh, let's make one. Oh, what if we mix all of them together at the end and see what happens? I only got two though. Damn, this little bottle is only enough to like do one or two.
Oh my god. Wait, what are you doing?
That's it. There's only one spoon. Alright, let's test the glitter one. Let's see. Is it working?
Ooh. Give me some of that.
Okay.
Oh, it's cold. Okay, put it back.
Oh!
Did you mix it? No, you gotta go.
I think the air helps it like get thicker. Maybe.
Oh, you can
It's
blow
the
into it.
action.
You want to try with the straw?
Oh yeah. Oh, you have bubble inside a bubble. Bubbleception. Alright guys, so yeah, that was us testing. Well, we could technically test another one, but our hands are so dirty that we can't really touch anything anymore. And are you done?
I'm cleaning up the table.
This was fun doing the slime. I can see why people love to play around with these because it is fun. What do you guys think?
I feel like a kid.
I know, I feel like a kid again. Well, like, I don't remember ever making slime.
I never played
in school.
I never made slime. We had like,
we never even played
the
with
silly
slime.
putty. The silly putty. We had that.
The one that farts?
Yeah. The one that bounces and glows in the dark.
Like, all the ingredients work to make quick and easy slime. Oh my god, it's on my leg! Stop it! It's dripping. Ah! It's all over me! Ah! I think it's like fun because it's like gives you everything really quick to make slime without too much work, but you don't really get a lot for 20 bucks to make a lot of slime. Like, I wanted to make a tub of slime, and I feel like with $20 I should be able to make a whole lot of slime. And nonetheless, she gives us like a lot of different options with the glow and the glitter. We didn't get to try the color tablets, which whatever. It brought me back to like childhood that I never had because I never really played with slime when I was younger. So
She had to raise us.
So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and let me know in the comments what other like test kits or fun DIY experiments we should play with. Okay. Alright, that's it. Okay, bye!
Bye!
Say bye!
Bye!